Hi, hello. Ito na po yung part 2 ng pinuntahan namin ni Ate Jen. Ate kong on the go lagi. Nagbebenta po yan ng gold and diamond. Hanapin nyo na lang po yung shop niya or PM nyo po siya. Nakatag po siya dito. After nga niyan ay nahilo na kami. Sa rides na to, una, sabi ng friend ko hindi daw pwede kasi daw pambata. Pero nung nakita ko na may sumakay na mas mabigat pa sa akin, ay hindi na ako nakatubili, sumakay na rin ako. After ng ride, nag-transferless kami, pero wala akong video. So, dumiretso kami ng, ayan nga, sa salon. Si ate, nagpa-threading, pero sabi ko ayoko kasi nasasaktan ako. Alam nyo naman, ayoko nang nasasaktan. So yun, nagpa-wax na lang ako sa kilay ko. Yan po yung salon, sa may Alsad lang yun. Next stop is sa beauty products naman.
Ito tayong tinatawag. Hi guys! Kung saan na kami nakarating. Ngayon ay papunta kami sa Lasigan. Naghiraw kami Quinto, no?
Pag ganyan sa pag
Guys, nandito kami sa Lasigan. Ayan
Punta kami niya ng Dairy Queen para makita yung mga One Direction Kerala version.
Ayan po yung mga kabataan. Wait. Hi, vlog! Ayan po yung... Why? Don't be shy. You're shy, you die. Don't be shy. You're shy, you die. You know, if you were shy, you will die. Hi. Basit, how are you? Why are you smoking? Smoking is cigarette. Smoking is dangerous to your health. Huh? Let's go, guys. Why you smoke?
Why not? Because they will smoke also there. Yeah.
You're too young for that. Your small intestine will die. Kampali, habibi.
As wala pala upuan, no? Ayun, parang ito na lang. Tsaka doon. Dito na lang.
Hasan?
Dito. Which one? Here? Here.
Or here na lang kasi nahiya sila sa Faye.
Here.
Mafi on.
But I don't know English.
Oh my goodness. Ate, hi! It's funny!
Why?
Ganun siya. Sabi ko, hoy, hindi yan naka-on. It's not on. But I don't know English. You just know, I know. Because, you know, time is the ultimate truth teller. You understand what I mean? Ang ganda ng ano, lightning.
Yun na. Tapos ano?
Safir, yun, ate. Daming pera ni Safir, ah. Tumatbo.
Remember me, I buy gold? Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
Kinuha ko yung mga resibo para kunwari ako nagbayad.
How are you guys?
Basta si Toki pero.
Basit. Don't be shy. You shy, you die.
I'm not saying you don't know me.
You don't know me. You don't know me.
Safir, you sit here. But don't smoke. No, when I smell smoke, I will kill you. What is this? For Ate, that one.
Oreo that one.
Ay! Uy! Si Ate, nagkamala ka pa.
Na galing yan.
Hoy, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Ay na, ay na pala. Say hi.
Nabarno hi.
You.
You.
Hi, you will miss me. You will miss me.
And then this one. This one. Who's this one?
അപ്പോ മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയണോ?
Malayalam daw, it's okay.
Malayalam?
It's not okay. There is me there.
Okay, wait, relax ha. Relax. Uy, yung ano, yung abala-abala.
You showed that one. Welcome to my perfume
Pato.
vlog.
Welcome.
Gusto mo yata i-clip na dito yan.
Oh, bakit ba kayo bumili? Mga balik talaga sa mga to.